how to multiply and divide fractions. Panoorin ang video ito at ituturo ko sa iyo. Okay, this is our topic, multiplication and division of fractions. So, okay, let's have example number 1. We will find the product of 3/5 times 2/3. Okay, ang gagawin na natin dito, we have to multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Okay po? So, we will multiply 3 times 2, that is equal to 6. And 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Ngayon, so kung ma-reduce pa, kailangan natin i-reduce yan. Okay? Kung hindi na, so syempre wag natin pilitin. So since na itong 6 divided by 15 is ma-reduce pa natin yan, we will divide 6 by 3 and we will divide 15 by 3. Okay, so 6 divided by 3 is 2 and 15 divided by 3 is 5. So this is your final answer. Okay? So let's proceed to example number 2. We will divide or find the product of negative 4 divided by 7 times negative 3 over 5. So again, i-multiply natin yung numerator sa other numerator or numerator to numerator. So negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12. Take note, this is like sign. Kapag mag-multiply tayo ng the same sign, saan ko ilagay? Pag multiply tayo ng the same sign, the result is positive. Pag hindi pareho ang kanilang sign, the result is negative. Okay? So since the same sign, therefore the result is positive. Pag walang sign, meaning positive na yan. So divide by 7 times 5 is 35. So kung ma-reduce, i-reduce. Kung hindi na, ayaw nagpugsa. Okay, magdugo. Okay, so this is our final. And so let's proceed to example number 3. 6/7 times 3 and 1/2 times 2. Okay, so una, kupihan muna natin yung 6/7 times, we will change this one into improper fraction. So magiging 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. 7/2. Okay? Then times 2. So equals 6 times 7 is 42. Times 2 is 84. So 84 over, this is over 1 ha. So 7 times 2, 14 times 1 is 14. So we will divide this one. So the result is 84 divided 14 is 6. 6 times 4, 24. Carry 2. 6 times 1 is 6 times 2 is 8. Okay, therefore the final answer is 6. Okay? So let's proceed to example number 4. So 2 times 3/2 times 2 and 1/2. So kopyahin muna natin yung 2 times 3/2. Kopyahin muna natin yan. Times, we will change this one into improper fraction. So 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 5/2. Okay? So this is over 1. So multiply natin yan sa taas. 2 times 3 is 6 times 5 is 30. 30/4. 1 times 2 is 2 times 2, 4. Okay, so we will divide this one. 30 divided by 4 is 7. So 28. Then 2 equals 7 and 2/4. Since pwede pang i-reduce yan, i-reduce natin yan. So divide natin yan si 2 by 2. Divide din natin si 4 by 2. So the final answer is 7 and 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 7 and 1/2. Yun ang sa example number 4. Okay, let's proceed to number 5 sa multiplication of fraction. 1/2 times is 1 and 1/2 times 2/3. So, kopyahin muna natin yung 1/2. Okay, wala po ink. Times, i-change natin ito into improper fraction. So, 2 times 1 is 2 times 1, plus 1 is 3 over 2. Okay, again, 2 times 1, 2, plus 1, 3. Okay, 3 over 2. Times 2/3 equals. So, 1 times 3, 3, times 2, 6, over 2 times 2, 4, times 3, 12. Then, i-reduce din yan by 6. I-divide natin yan by 6. So, equal 6 divided by 6, 1. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So, the final answer is 1/2. Let's proceed to division of fractions. So, we will find the quotient of 6 and 2/3 divided by the quantity of -1 and 1/2. So, una, si 6 and 2/3, kailangan natin gawing improper fraction. So, magiging 18, 3 times 6 is 18 plus 2 is 20 over 3. Kaya muna natin si divide na symbol or sign. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3 or negative 3 over 2. Okay? So, ngayon, we will change this one 2 over 3. So, from division, we will change into multiplication. And we will get the reciprocal of 3 over 2 or negative 3 over 2 magiging negative 2 over 3. Okay? Kabaliktaran. Okay, ngayon, i-multiply natin yan. 20 divided by negative 2 is equal to negative 40 over 9. So, divide natin yan. Negative 40 so 9, so 4. Or negative 4. So, negative 36. Okay, we have to change this one. Magiging positive yan. So, then 4. Or negative 4 and 4 over 9. So, dito na lang ha. Negative 4 and 4 over 9. Okay, so final answer, negative 4 and 4 over 9. Okay, this is your final answer in example number 1 sa division of fraction. Okay, let's proceed to number 2. 6 over 5 divide by 5 over 6. Okay, una, kopyahin lang muna natin si 6 over 5. Then, we will change this one into multiplication and get the reciprocal of 5 over 6, which is magiging 6 over 5 na yan. Okay? Parang binaliktad lang yan. Si 6 nagiging numerator at saka si 5 nagiging denominator. So 6 times 6, 36 over 5 times 5, 25. Then i-reduce natin yan. Divide natin 36 divide 25, 1. So 1, 1 or 11. 1 and 11 over 25. So this is your final answer. Okay, last example, number 3. Okay? Or 3 divided by 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1, 10. 10 over 3. Divide, huwag mo natin i-change. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 1, 31. Over 5. Then, 10 over 3, tsaka natin i-change yan. Si negative, magiging multiplication na yan. Negative. Si division, magiging multiplication. Or si divide, magiging multiply. So, reciprocal natin yan. Si 31 over 5, magiging 5 over 31. So, equals 50 over 91. Tama ba? 93. 93. 31 times 3. Tama. 3, 9. 93. So, kung ma-reduce, i-reduce. Kung hindi na, huwag nang pilitin. Okay? So, this is your final answer. At maraming salamat sa panonood. At kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, please subscribe para updated ka sa lahat ng mga videos na i-upload ko. See you to my next videos. Bye-bye!
14 pa rin.